Alright, check this out. This SNFLEX one-piece macerating toilet is an absolute game changer if you're building a bathroom in a basement, garage, or anywhere without traditional plumbing. It's powered by a beefy 600-watt pump that shreds waste with stainless steel blades and pushes it up to 29 feet vertically and almost 300 feet horizontally, no sweat. The pump is hidden behind the toilet so it saves space and keeps things looking clean. You can hook it up to showers, sinks, washing machines, even bathtubs, all in one system. No vent pipe needed either, just a carbon filter that kills odors and keeps the air fresh. It's got a dual flush system, 0.8 or 1.28 gallons, saving up to 70% water, which is huge for your utility bill. The ceramic bowl looks sleek, the soft close seat stays quiet, and installation is way easier than you'd expect. It runs on standard 110 to 120 volts, handles hot water, has thermal protection, and stays low noise while doing serious work. Bottom line, this thing is powerful, efficient, space-saving, and perfect for extra bathrooms where normal toilets just won't work.